Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into NetSpend account. So if you also want to log into NetSpend account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.netspend.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official website for NetSpend. If you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the login button that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official login page for NetSpend. All you have to do is provide your username and your password. First of all, enter your username. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want your browser to remember your username, all you have to do is check on this box. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this username option that you can see right over here. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the password option. Now after entering your username and password, all you have to do is click on the login button that you can see right over here. And after that, you'll be logged into the NetSpend account. So that is how you log into NetSpend account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.